back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys all of the rejects, or the items that ThredUp did not accept. They call them rejects. They sent back to me, so I'm going to show you just the things that they didn't accept, and just why I think they maybe didn't accept them. Either way, I'm going to be sending these items right back into them, because each time someone new is looking at your item, so it's more than likely not always the same person looking at your item. So maybe the one person didn't accept them, but maybe I send them in a second time, that person will accept them. That has happened to me a few times in the past. So let's just get into it. First item we have is this moth sweater. So here's a tag if you're unfamiliar with it, and this brand is sold at Anthropologie. It is just a like wool multicolored orange mock neck turtleneck. Maybe they didn't accept this because it is a turtleneck. It is a fall item. Next item is by Free People Movement. Here we go. So I'm not sure why they didn't accept this. Again, maybe because it's a fall item, I'm guessing. I actually really love this. Actually, it's an X. It's an X small, but it's like super oversized. Like a lot of Free People's clothing is super oversized, so I really want to keep it. But I'm gonna send it in again. I'm gonna send it again. If it doesn't sell the next time I send it in, I think I'm just gonna keep it. So why not? All right, this next item is by Frame. And this is actually from my personal closet. It was branded with tags, and I actually wore it a few times and sent it ThredUp, and they did not accept it. So I'm starting to notice a pattern here, guys. They're not accepting like the sweaters or more fall items. So again, I'm thinking that's why they didn't accept a lot of these items, because here's another sweater. It is a kid sweater by Tahari. It's 100% merino wool. Just a cute little sweater. It's adorable. I like this. Cute, cute, cute. We have another sweater. This one is by Talbot. It's 100% cashmere. I know that's not a newer tag, but I figured I'd pick it up because it was pure cashmere, 100% cashmere. So just a cashmere sweater, and we will be sending that back in. Okay. So we have this Polo Ralph Lauren t-shirt. This last item is by Tadashi Shoji. So this brand does retail for a lot. I was so excited when I found it at Goodwill. I was like, oh my gosh, I was definitely sending that in ASAP to ThredUp, and they did not accept it. So pretty red lace dress with this detailing on the front. It's very pretty. Again, I don't have no clue why that person didn't accept it, what was going on with them, but definitely sending that right back in. Okay, friends, so let's look into this next box and see what they sent back. Let's see. Okay, so the first thing is this Michael by Michael Kors. It's a size 1XL. And it is this dress with this like faux wrap front. I don't know why they did not accept this, especially with like, yeah, I don't know. Great brand, great size. Who knows? I'm just gonna send it right back in. Next item is by Free People. It's this off-the-shoulder top. It's a size small. Next item are these Hokas. Hokas are this expensive running shoe line. So I don't know. These are they're very clean. I mean, only thing is this dirt at the bottom. Again, please excuse the sisters. Again, this is the only time I'm really able to record this video. Like, school is starting very soon. I'm trying to get these videos recorded, and they are just being loud and disrespectful. I asked them to shut up. They didn't shut up. Please bear with me. So the Hokas, I'm not sure. I might send them back in. I might try to sell them on my own. I don't know. So it's just this like front zip jacket. It's a red tag Nike, which I forgot what that is, but I think it's worth more. So just this jacket. Again, I'm starting to notice again that theme of they're not accepting like fall items, I'm guessing. Oh my gosh. I've sent this in probably like 6-7 times. I think they realized it might be a men's item. I thought it was a women's when I first bought it. I bought it like 2 years ago. And I can't seem to get rid of it. I can't get rid of it from ThredUp. It won't sell on my own. So I don't even know. Like I'm not giving up on it though. But it's this Jill Sanders like nylon jacket. It's really cool. It's like this graffiti print. So I don't know. It just won't sell. Like nobody wants it. Like, and I paid a lot of money for it online. It was when I first started reselling, and I was like, oh, I know what I'm doing. I'm going to source an expensive item online. I'm going to be able to flip it for $500. Nope. Next is this vintage Old Navy skirt. Got this for free when I was asking for free donations earlier this year. I'm probably just gonna donate it. You know, I had it on eBay for probably like 3 months and it didn't sell. Next is this skirt. This skirt is by Acris Punto. I don't know if it's been hemmed. I don't know. They just didn't accept it. Nice cream skirt. Who knows if they don't accept this? Is the second time I actually sent it in. So they're returning it to me again. I'm going to send it in one more time. If they don't accept it, it does fit me. I'll just keep it. So the next item are these Wild Fox white pants. They were new with tags. I thought I was going to keep them because I was going on vacation. I was like, I don't really want these. So Wild Fox size large. I had them listed on Poshmark for probably a month, maybe 2 months. And it didn't sell. And I'm just going to send these right back in. Next item is by Monroe. This is an expensive brand. I usually see this brand on like, I've seen it on Revolve. I've seen it on a few other like more expensive websites. Maybe like Neiman Marcus, maybe like a Nordstrom. My dog is barking now. I just cannot get through this video. We're just gonna go with it. So just a cotton tank top. So I'm probably just gonna send it back in. And then the last item is this Coach leather handbag. It is vintage. It does have some wear to it, but I was able to clean it and it does look pretty good. So I'm not sure why they didn't accept this. Again, I'm just going to send it right back in and see what happens. If it doesn't sell after the second time, or maybe even the third time of getting accepted, I guess I'll just try to sell it on my own when I get time, when I have time. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm going to be continuing to post more ThredUp content as we go along. I try to post 2 videos a week, so definitely look out for that. I don't have a designated day yet. I'm kind of just uploading when I can, but again, I need to get more organized and more consistent with that. So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.